what's up guys? This is PTC channel. So I'm back guys. So I'm gonna show you what I got again. Yo, what's up? This is PTC channel. Ngayon I'm back guys at babalik ulit tayo. After 3 days guys nakapag-upload ulit tayo sa ating channel. So ngayon yan guys may binili tayong ano guys. Siyempre it's Hot Wheels guys. Pakita ko na lang guys kung ano to. Hindi naman siya surprise. Actually, it's one car lang siya. One car and one diecast. Hehe. Isa lang siya guys talaga. Pero, pag sa packaging, tingnan nyo guys. Akala nyo lang guys malaki. Pero pag bukas nyo guys ng order, isa lang. Okay. Yan guys, naka-fragile pa siya. Oh. Daming fragile. Ayan guys, so. Ayan guys, so. Yan yun. Okay, so let's open. Buksan natin to. Medyo maingay guys ang plastic. Ayun. Medyo ang ingay guys. Oh, double pack guys. Naka-double pack pa siya. Oh, guys. This is it. So, this is a Hot Wheels. Hindi siya naka-sorter box without. Alright. Hilahin na. Pwede na ba hilahin to guys? Kala ko guys may laman. No? Wala pala. Okay. Okay. Hila. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yun. Guys. Okay. Kabili tayo. Siyempre it's tada! Ayan guys. So ito ang BMW Hot Wheels BMW 2002. Ayan guys, napakaganda niya guys. So meron siya ibang kulay guys. Yung isa, yung bago pa lang guys, yung tinitinda sa SM Store is color dark blue yata yun guys. Tama, dark blue yun yung kulay yung ibang kulay nito. Ito syempre dilaw. Ayan. I got another yellow car. Ayan guys, yan yung, ayan. Again, ayan guys, BMW 2002. Napakaganda niya guys, grabe yan yung logo ng BMW 2002. Dito sa ano, ayan guys, meron din kaya lang guys, hindi kita masyado yung logo ng BMW sa may unahan ng car. Ayan, napakaganda niya guys, grabe oh. It's made from Mattel. Ito yung Hot Wheels 70s versus 90s Hot Wheels. Ayan. Guys. And so, I'm so happy to have this guys. At naibili ko siya. Talaga. Ganda. It's made from Mattel. Ayan guys. The BMW logo, the BM word marks, and the BMW models designations are trademarks of BMW AG and are used under license. Ayan guys. Ito yun. So, uncommon siya na car. Medyo uncommon siya na car. At medyo ayos din. Okay, yan guys. So, 70s versus 90s. 5 out of 10 siya. Cool. Dito tayo nagtatapos guys. So, if you like these videos guys, so leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget the notification. Please subscribe guys. Subscribe and like my video. See you guys next time. Bye. 176 subscribers tayo. Tulungan nyo guys. I'm gonna reach 1,000. Gusto ko guys mga 1,000 subscribers na ako. See you guys next time. Bye.